Little Smart Kids. Today, Handy Andy is working hard in the garage. He has a very interesting and difficult task. He is going to tell you about everything himself.
Hi, my friends. Come inside. Hello. I'm really busy today in the garage. My friend took his old pickup to my garage. It's hardly working. He wanted to hand over the car for scrap, but I persuaded him to give it to me. I have one interesting idea: to make a monster truck. Let's start. First, we should lift a car a bit with a hoist and take off the wheels. And then the old brake discs with shock absorbers. We don't need them anymore. Open the hood and take out an engine with a hoist. Now, let's paint the pickup bright orange with a special spray. Wow! Look! The car looks like a new one now. While the car is getting dry after painting, we will find a new suspension. We need more power, so we are going to put new big wheels on the pickup. Here is a suspension. Fasten it with the screws. Now the wheels. First install the back and then the front wheels. Strengthen the bottom with the new suspension rails. At the back of the box, fasten the frame with spotlights. Install the exhaust pipe on the side of the body. Also, put a metal protection on the front bumper. Here is a super new engine. On the roof, establish the horns. On the rear bumper, fasten the boxes. So there is still a spare tire. We'll set it on the frame at the rear. Hooray! Our monster truck is ready now. Look, it's amazing. The engine is so powerful. It's a supercar. It is so high that holes and any obstacles don't really matter for it. I really want to have a test drive. We're going to the road without asphalt. There are a lot of holes and stones, but I'm sure we can do it. Let's go. We are going up the hill so easy. Great. Well done. We did a great job for a short period. We turned an old pickup into a super monster truck, painted it with bright paint, changed the suspension, installed big wheels, and changed the engine. Now we can even take part in racing. Do you like it? Okay. See you soon. Beep beep. If you don't want to miss any new cartoons, subscribe to our channel. Also, you can click on the word like.